good evening, guys. I am from Triad Solutions. So today we are going to see how in a React that we are going to make a major project in React, and that project is password generator. So let me show you first a demo of that project, and I will instruct you that how we are going to build that project. So before that, let me show you a demo. From this demo, you will get an idea that how our project looks and feels. So here, so my project right now is password generator. The name of our project is password generator. So first of all, we have to go inside the project. So 04. So after that, as this project is made of the white before, so here I will be using npm run dev to run the development server. So here you will be seeing that my project is now running. So let the project open. So here you will be seeing that this is my project. A password generator is coming here. So we are going to generate password as per the length of that password. Suppose length is 8, so 8 characters are allowed here. If I increase the length, so the length is also increased. If I again increase the length, length of the password is increased. If I increase the length, so length of the password is increased. Once again, if I increase the length of the password is increased. The first functionality is this one. The second functionality is if suppose user clicks on this number, the password will contain the number value. Correct? This 3 is coming here, numerical value. This here this 0 is coming. This 0 is coming. Right? So here, if you see 6 is coming. Now 2 is coming. So likewise, the password will be generated. Suppose user clicks on this character part, suppose number is not there. If user clicks on this character part, so special symbols will be coming here. So if I now go, so here dollar is coming. Here see parenthesis is coming. So now if you see here, cap symbol is coming here. Then here parenthesis is coming. Fine, percentage symbol is coming. This parenthesis is coming. So if the user clicks on characters, then special symbols will be coming. If user clicks on number as well as character both, so number will be coming as well as special characters will be coming also. So here you will be seeing that all the numbers and characters both were coming. So 4 is coming, number we have, and at the rate special symbols are also coming. Fine. So these three functionalities. First of all, what is the first functionality? The first functionality is we have to generate the password as the length changes. The first functionality. The second functionality is if user clicks on the number, then password should contain this numerical value. If a user clicks, the second functionality is this. The third functionality is if user clicks on this character, then special symbol should come, like underscore is coming here, at the rate is coming here, likewise. The fourth functionality is if user clicks on numbers as well as characters, so numerical value as well as character special symbols will also be coming here. So these are the four functionality we have to build. And the fifth functionality that we have to build is once a user clicks on this copy button, so password is copied and we can paste here also. We can paste anywhere. Fine, everyone. So this one is the fifth functionality. So in this through this project, we are going to develop the 5 functionality of this password generator. So before that, in this first part, we are going to develop this project in two parts. In the first part, we will be making the HTML page, whole HTML setup we will be making, and in the other part, logical aspects we will be seeing that how as the length changes, you know, so the password is generating, how with the help of this number password is generating, without this character password is generating, and how if I click on this copy button, the password is copied. So we are going to see now that how this functionality is working. Fine, everyone. So in the first part, in this part, we are going to design the HTML page first. So let me cut this thing. Let me open our project, that is React recording. This one is React recording. So here let me go to the C. Let me import my folder to Visual Studio Code here. Yeah. So now let me create a new project here. So new project here I am creating as so new project I am creating here as so let it open. Okay, so we have to create a new project. So I'm saying npm create white @latest create white @latest. So after that it is asking me for the project name. So let me write the project name here. So project name is 0404 password generator framework. Here I am selecting as React, and variant I am selecting as JavaScript. So now you will be seeing that 04 password generator, my project is ready. So before starting that project, we have to go inside that project. So 0 cd 04 and password generator. So after that here, I have to install the node module. So npm install here I'm putting. Yeah, guys. So here our project is now installed. NPM module is also installed. So before that, let's run the server and see how our project is working or not. So npm run dev. So now here, if I click on this follow link, so now our project is running. So now this is the project. So in the previous classes, we have discussed that whatever the things right now we are seeing on the screen, that is coming just because of the inside this password generator for project in inside this src, we have this app.jsx. So whatever the code we have put here inside the app.jsx, that is coming on the screen. So if I remove this one, so now you will be seeing that nothing is on my screen. So let me, oh, I stopped the server. So let me run the server once again here. So now here CD04 password generator, 04 password generator. So after that, what we have to do is npm run dev. So here you will be seeing that. So here you will be seeing that right now nothing is coming on the screen because whatever the things was inside my app.jsx, I removed everything. Now we will be putting our project data here. So now let me write the code for the project part here. So let's design our the HTML page for our project. So to design the HTML of our project, the first thing we have to do is inside that app.jsx, what we have to write, you have to create a div. First of all, div, and here I am giving class is equals to, I am saying container class, I am giving as container. Inside this container class, give an h2. The h2 here I am giving as password generator, password generator, password generator. So after that here I am creating a new div tag, and this div tag I am giving here class name. As class name I am giving as password box, password dash box I am giving here. And inside this div tag here I am opening an input tag. Type I am giving as text, type I am giving as text. Let me make it more clear. So type here I am giving as text. So after that here I am writing ID, I am giving as ID is equals to, I am giving as password ID I am giving as password. So after that placeholder I am giving as password, password. So here I am giving as read only. Fine. I hope till here everything is going smoothly and fine. So after that here, I am creating a button. I am creating a button here, button, and ID is equals to, I am giving here as ID here, I am giving as copy button, copy, COPY, copy BTN, copy button, and here I am writing as copy. So after that here, this div tag is closed. So after this closing div tag, the first div tag where I close this password box, after that what we have to do is we have to open a new div tag, and this time I am giving class name as controls. Class name as controls. And here once again inside this div tag, I am opening an input tag. So once again here type I'm giving as type here. This time I am giving as text only. Instead of text, let's give here the type range here. So now minimum value, this I controls I am making our length whatever the length is there, that I am right now making. So now if let me see here, okay, fine. Our previous sample was not here. Okay, fine, no problem. So here the length range is there. So that range I am making here. So minimum is equals to, I am saying minimum is equals to I am saying 8. Minimum length of that password is 8, and maximum length I am saying as maximum length for the password, and I am saying here as 20. So ID I am giving this time, ID is equals to, I am giving as ID I am giving as length slider, length slider, length slider, length slider. So I hope till here everything is going smoothly. So after this input tag, I have to open a span tag, and length I am writing here length, that is going to display the what's the actual length. So after that this span tag, inside the opening and closing span tag, here also I am opening a span tag, and this time here I am saying id is equals to length. I am saying length, id is equals to length. And after this span tag here, I am saying label. Then HTML for is not required right now. So label, inside this label tag here, I am saying input, and type is equals to, this time I am saying checkbox. Type is equals to checkbox. Type is equals to checkbox. Then after that here I am making id is equals to numbers. So here I am saying, id is equals to number, type is equals to checkbox. Then id here I am saying is id as the numbers, id as numbers. So after that here I am saying numbers. Then this label is closed here. So now let me put here so that you will get to know that where the label is closing. Okay, so after that another label we have to open. HTML4 is not required, so I am removing from here. And inside this label, once again, input tag I have to open. Input tag, type is equals to, once again I am putting here as checkbox. Type, once again checkbox I am making. And here id is equals to, I am giving as characters. So inside the label tag here, I am writing the characters. Now I am making this label tag to the up part so that you can get to know that this is my label. Okay, so after that here, uh, at the end export default fault. So now export default app is there, and this is now my HTML page is done here. So now at this time, what we are going to see, let's see here. So let me run this code once again. Let me run the server here. So let me stop all the previous servers here. So let me cut here. And before starting the server, first we have to go inside the project. So 04 and password generator. So npm run dev. I am saying npm run dev. So now if I click here, let's see what happens, how my output is coming right now. So you will be seeing that this is my output coming, password generator, copy button is here, and this is our length slider, which here it will be, length will be displayed after the function we write. This is number checkbox, this is characters checkbox. So this is the whole we are getting here. So in the first part of the series, we designed the HTML page for the password generator project. In the next part of the series, we will be giving styling to the web page. So I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.